plans the whole day. So apparently we're at Mandai apa? Rainforest Wild Asia. It's my first time here. Tiba. Take video of me.
Take video of you. Rainforest Wild Asia.
I don't know what is the difference between this and the zoo, but we shall see. We decided to check out the cafe, and it's like in a cave. Oh, vegetarian. It's the menu. No lah, not all. Got
Tak salah they never sell meat.
I just saw chicken. Oh, we're not gonna eat.
Inside.
You nak masuk sini ke? Macam more restaurants. Thank you. Chan, guys. Once you enter, you'll see this mini rainforest. Alamak, someone is lagging behind. So far, we just entered like maybe 20 seconds ago. I can tell that this place you have a lot of basically more adventure.
Mana turtle?
I got turtle. Oh, I only see fish tadi. Look. Mana? Turtle, I see. It was hiding. It was hiding. Quite big. So you have a lot of climbing to do, I think. Kind of.
Makan. It's lunchtime.
Oh, not at lunchtime. Okay, we have trek. You want to go trek first? There's elevated walkway and forest tracks.
So which one you want to go?
Ooh, let's go to trek. Right,
Sport shoe required.
We are wearing sport shoes. So let's go. Oh, you can download the map. Whoa. Alah, 100 meter je. Will we see animals? Oh no. Also, it's raining. I don't think the animals will come out.
Slippery surface crossed in a single line. Go!
Sport shoe is important.
Yes.
I feel like I'm on an adventure. Also, this place ada high element. So for the high element is additional how much?
Like $40. So you pay a total of $100.
So this ticket fee is $60.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't know? Yeah lah, everything free what for you?
Of course. We cannot just walk. We have to admire the beauty.
Okay.
Okay, so apparently we can get up on this big log to where I also don't know. Ah, okay. We're gonna go up there. The arrow is this way.
Yeah.
Oh, so we are going up to the outpost, is it? Oh, ni lah.
We all, yeah.
Not even 10 minutes in, and we're already going to buy food. I want the egg mayo sandwich, and then we can either sit inside or we can stand outside. There's like standing tables. Got our sandwiches. Stand here with forest view. Camera, that's so weird. We spot some langurs. At first I thought dorang like statues. This one. Guys, seram. Cause ada. This one is just a mini one, the free one. Public $56. You want? Are you adventurous enough?
I'm okay with
Sounds
climbing,
fun though.
but not falling.
You have the harness. You are strapped. Why do you worry? So now we're at the forest floor and they say no food and drinks because got animals. So we already throw all our drinks. Is it got monkey? First animal. So big.
The monkey no animal.
First animal in the forest floor.
Oh,
So
there.
cute! Oh yeah, they're all in the log. Look at the deers! But how are they so well behaved that they're not gonna come out here?
Oh, maybe that's real.
So we're in the tracks right here. Yeah. So we're supposed to see some animals, but I don't see any currently. Ew. Oh, is it the other side? Guys, if you come here, we recommend you to walk on the trails instead of the walkways. I think it's like you're closer to nature. Although, so far we don't see any animals. Wow! Can two people walk at the same time? Baby, stop. Stop. Dia kan padahal yang paling penakut. Tadi nak buat the jump dia tak nak.
I like climbing. I
The-
don't like falling.
This is not climbing. Baby! She's so annoying. Baby, the bawah ni look like my hair right now. Because I braided my hair. Sama tak? We still never see any tigers. Oh, what? What are you looking at? I don't see anything. Oh, baby, I see! Oh my god, should we walk again? Should we walk again? finally see the tiger. But I don't think my camera can capture. Do you see it? Eh, this is the closest we have been to an animal here. That is a tapir. Masa hidung dia gitu? Macam elephant. It's so huge, OMG. Just now kita masuk the cave area. So cool. Literally, it was cooling. Kenapa ni? Steps ah. By the way, the crocodile is right in front of me right now. Dia dah tutup mulut dia. So now we know it's actually real and not just macam statue. Is that real or fake? Mama, ni budak ada tadi tau. I think dia dah 5 kali tie shoelace dia. Tak ada pun. It's fake.
Betul. Lipas.
By the way, if you're wondering why he's wearing shades in this cave, it's actually dark, but I got night vision right now, so it's bright. Sebab he sat on his spectacles this morning, and this is the only one that he has. Found Jisoo again. Apparently, she recorded her music video here. We're done with wildlife. Apa? Asia? Apa? Rainforest something.
You just see the whole thing already.
Wildlife Asia Rainforest. Rainforest Wildlife Asia. Okay. So now the plan is we're gonna go somewhere, I don't know which mall, to do his specs. Sebab man is blind. He can only live on this. But by the time night comes nanti, dia
I'm
tak boleh
blind.
nampak. So let's go. How he park, guys. The lot is here. He took the old lot. Well, right now we're at Causeway Point in Woodlands, trying to find. Okay, we're gonna go on this sebab we're trying to see if his spectacles can be repaired. I doubt so. So if cannot, then we just have to purchase a new one. And it's gonna take a few weeks for it to get ready because his degree is quite high. So it can't be done in one day. Usually it takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Oh, good news.
But it's different color.
Because the last time he bought that spectacles was less than a year ago, so there's warranty, like 1-to-1 exchange. But because his lens is still okay, so he just changed the frame, same model, just different color, and then just pay 50% for the frame. So instead of 126, he only had to pay like 60 something, and then he still got $6 discount from his account. So a total $58, and he got it instantly. It's like 10 minutes. 10 minutes only.
So the trick, guys, within 1 year, you just break your glass.
Okay, apparently we're in Uniqlo. Nak cari apa from Uniqlo?
Jalan-jalan je lah.
Dah happy lah tu. Oh, look at the colour.
I can see now.
Oh, we were supposed to eat dim sum. Supposed to eat dim sum place, but then we chanced upon this teppanyaki. It's currently still in the process of obtaining their halal certificate. Got the veggie. Got the beef. I asked for chili. serve us tauge, but I don't eat tauge. Thank you. Kai ordered the sliced beef. Hey, we just finished eating. What would you rate the food out of 10?
6.
I rate a 7. It's not that bad. I eat the tauge, okay? Like half. It's like a huge ass mountain. I ate half, bro. And
3
then
quarter.
3/4 is a lot. 3/4 is more than
1
half.
quarter, sorry.
And it's so mengenyangkan. I'm so full right now. I don't know what's next.
You see. Bye-bye.
This guy is supposed to plan the whole date, but looks like he didn't. We are back in the car. To be honest, quite tired already. I think cause dah kenyang. So macam But now we're gonna go Jewel. Because I'm gonna go to the DJI store because I think there's something wrong with my battery right now. It can't charge past 36%. So I just want to ask the person what is happening. And it's less than 1 year. How to know if got warranty or not? I don't think I simpan the receipts on. Guys, my DJI is off right now. This guy is crying while listening to this song. Because he was like saying we should use this for walk-in.
Alah, tutup lah. Sakit mata lah.
So man is imagining us walking down the aisle. It's really funny. Turun baby. Let's see if we're really gonna use this song. So we went to the DJI store, but it's only a retail store, so I can't ask if it's able to be repaired or something. They said to go Vivo, so we're gonna go another day. But guess what? We ended up with $239 gone.